Combat in Project Encardia is action-based. Martial weaponry relies upon equipped items and several skill attributes of a character, weighted against the defensive skills and values of an enemy. Each weapon type will feature its own skill set that can be trained through in-game successful use of the item. As well as this, characters will have a skill pertaining to combat with a specific genomic identifier for enemies. For example, a player who fights goblins and orcs will gain skill against fighting greenskins, but will not gain skill in fighting against the undead. This is intended to represent the differences in ways enemies would fight, but is also designed to allow characters to specialise in particular combats and gain renown through the server population for their prowess, and encourage cooperative gameplay and socialisation. Whilst combat will be simplistic to handle, the growth in skills and abilities will enable characters to craft unique builds. The intention behind the combat system is to not create a system reliant on established pathways to achieve dominance, but to allow open-ended pathways that allow for uniquity and skill-based success. Characters, including AI, rely on three primary stats for combat. These are health, mana, and stamina. A zero value in any of these will have a detrimental effect to the survivability of the character. If a character is taken to zero health, they are in a dying state, unable to interact with the worldscape, and must be revived or healed within a limited time or face permadeath. A zero value in mana will render the character unconscious for a period of time until their mind recovers, and a zero value in stamina will cause the character to become winded, rendering them unable to move quickly or interact with the worldscape until they recover energy. Various elements, such as equipment, spells, or consumables, will affect a character across these three stats and their respective values, including defending and bolstering the values to short-term or permanent detrimental alterations.